Apple launched a few devices which included the new iPad, iPad mini, Apple Watch Series 7 and iPhone 30 series. So guess what? Today I'm not going to unbox the iPhone 30 series as Joshua already did. Instead, I'm going to unbox the iPad mini. So let's get started. The brand new iPad mini comes in 4 color variants which are purple, pink, starlight and space gray. So which color catches your eyes? Now you must be wondering where the home button is, right? The Touch ID is now mounted on the top right of the devices together with the power button which create a clean and neat feel. Of course, it is still fast, easy and secure whenever you unlock the iPad mini or when you use Apple Pay. This creates a bigger display compared to the previous model that came with a 7.9-inch Retina display. This new iPad mini comes with a narrow border and elegant rounded corner, featuring an 8.3-inch Liquid Retina display that supports white color, true tone, 500 nits of brightness, and an anti-reflective coating. The iPad mini is powered by the A15 Bionic chip, and to compare with the previous model, the CPU is 40% faster, the GPU is 80% faster, and the neural engine is 2 times faster, allowing to automatically translate during conversation in real time. Besides that, this iPad mini comes in 64GB and 256GB, and there are both Wi-Fi models and Wi-Fi plus cellular variants with 5G support to choose from as well. As for the cameras, it supports a 12-megapixel ultra-wide selfie snapper which perfect for FaceTime, and a 12-megapixel rear camera that supports center stage. Of course, the rear camera allows you to record up to 4K video as well. In addition, there are also Smart HDR3 for photos that improve the image quality of details, shadows, and highlights. Speaking of audio, it's for a stereo speaker in a landscape position, which is great for listening to your songs or watching movies. The iPad mini now has a USB-C port to charge, which is the same as the iPad Air, and this allows 10 times faster data transfer compared with the previous model. According to the official website, this iPad mini can last up to 10 hours of surfing the web on Wi-Fi or watching videos, and 9 hours using mobile data network. This iPad mini can also support the second generation Apple Pencil, which magnetically attached to the side of device. So you can just charge your Apple Pencil anytime without any hassle, and draw or jot down notes whenever you need it. The starting price of the iPad mini is 2,299 ringgit, with different prices for storage and connectivity. Personally, I think it is very convenient for those who like to bring a tablet around to jot down a note or draw whenever the inspiration is here, and it is small enough to fit into a handbag. Well, is this a tablet that you have been waiting for? Let us know in the comments below, hit the like button, share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Deborah and see you next time. Bye!